I really wanted to make robots when I was younger because they challenged me to make newer and better things, and I also think robots can offer a lot to people. When I start to actually build a project, it feels like I'm just doing something that I was meant to do. When we heard about oyster theft, we discovered that people had been dredging up and stealing almost all of them.
Oyster poaching is a real concern. A thief could easily cause losses that could basically put you out of business.
The hydrophone is basically an underwater microphone, and then we take that microphone's audio output and use that to gather data on the dredging. With the Bay Watcher, we get to see it work in the bay, like detecting dredging.
We've got kids at the University of Maryland that are assisting with this Maryland oyster farming industry. I think it has tremendous potential to benefit the industry.
This product could definitely step in and prevent further dredging of oysters in sanctuaries.